The next one is the timeliness of repair. This is an issue we get a lot from customers where we go out, diagnose their system, and it may be what we would consider a minor repair. This is one of the times where a customer who has a system that is relatively new, either just under 10 years old or even slightly older than 10 years old, but in good condition, they may consider replacing only because of the timeliness of the repair. They need the air to work properly at that time as quickly as possible for their home, for their pets, for their parents, for their kids, for themselves. But when we look at some of these systems, the parts can be hard to get. So systems that the manufacturer is very specific in the type of part needed for this thing, certain motors, certain fans, certain wheels, things like that. We have to order it from the manufacturer. And if the manufacturer has stopped producing the part and it's not readily available, we have to wait until they do a new run of that part, which could take months. That's when a part goes on back order. And we've seen these things on even relatively new systems back ordered for months at a time, which means that air conditioner system cannot be repaired by putting in a generic part. It needs a specific part. Not all air conditioners have general parts that can be used. Some are very specific. When that happens, the fastest way to get your home comfortable again would be to repair or replace your system with a new one.